Is the interior of your vehicle in great condition but needs a dusting, light cleaning, and vacuuming? If so, this package offers the best value for you. We will spend about 90 minutes to do a light cleaning of the cabin. The service is only available if you're doing an exterior detail or a specialized service on your vehicle. Here is a complete list of all of the services included in this package. We start with a quick vacuum of the cabin to remove all of the dust and loose dirt. The removable mats will be brushed and vacuum cleaned. All surfaces of the cabin will be wiped down to remove dust and light dirt. We will clean all of the windows and mirrors, including the windshield, to help increase visibility. We finish the interior with the application of a pleasant car perfume that usually lasts a day or two. This package is not appropriate for vehicles with heavy dirt, salt and calcium stains, or problems that needs fixing. We do not apply any protection to any of the surfaces either. If this is what you are looking for, we invite you to have a look at our more extensive detailing packages. Otherwise, if this package suits your need, you can place your request directly on the website and we will contact you to find a time that will fit your schedule for the appointment. We are looking forward to serve your detailing needs.